Hello and welcome to the English Listening Lab. My name is Johan. I am very happy to be here with you today. Today, we're going to talk about a very interesting topic. We will talk about small habits that change your life. A habit is something you do every day. It is a small action. But these small actions can make a big difference in your future. Before we start, I have a very important request for you. Please subscribe to our channel right now. Click the subscribe button. When you subscribe, you will not miss our future episodes. We want to help you learn English every day. If you subscribe, we can learn together. Thank you for subscribing. Now, let us begin our lesson about small habits. The first habit is about your morning. It is very simple. You should make your bed every morning. When you wake up, look at your bed. The blankets are messy. Take 1 minute to fix your blankets and pillows. Make your bed look nice and clean. Why is this important? It is the first task of the day. When you make your bed, you finish one job. You feel good. You feel proud. It is a small success. This small success helps you do more things during the day. Also, when you come home at night, your bed looks perfect. A clean room helps you feel calm. A clean bed helps you sleep better. Start your day with this simple habit. It only takes 1 minute, but it makes your whole day better. The second habit is drinking water. This is very important for your health. When you sleep, you do not drink water for many hours. Your body needs water. When you wake up, your body is thirsty. Before you drink coffee or tea, drink 1 big glass of water. Water helps your brain work fast. Water helps your body have energy. Many people feel tired in the morning because they need water. If you drink water first, you will wake up faster. You can put a glass of water on your table at night. When you see the glass in the morning, you will remember to drink. This is a very easy habit. It keeps your body strong. It keeps your skin healthy. Please try to drink water every morning for 1 week. The third habit is about moving your body. You do not need to run a marathon. You just need to walk. Try to walk for 10 or 15 minutes every day. You could walk in the park. You could walk on the street. You can walk inside your house. Walking is good for your heart. It is also good for your mind. When you walk, you can think clearly. You can look at the trees and the sky. Fresh air is very good for you. If you sit on a chair all day, your body becomes stiff. Your back might hurt. Walking helps your muscles relax. It is a very simple exercise. Everyone can do it. You do not need special clothes. You just need to stand up and move your feet. The fourth habit is about reading. Reading is the best way to learn new things. It is also the best way to learn English. You do not need to read a big book. You can read just 2 or 3 pages every day. Or you can read for 10 minutes. Choose a book that is easy. Choose a book that you like. When you read, you see new words. You see how sentences work. This helps your brain grow. Reading is like exercise for your brain. If you read every day, you will become smarter. You will have more ideas. Make a time for reading. Maybe you read before breakfast. Maybe you read before you go to sleep. Put a book near your chair. When you see the book, pick it up and read. The fifth habit is about writing. Writing is very powerful. I want you to write down 3 good things every day. You can do this in a notebook. We call this a gratitude journal. In the evening, sit down and think. What was good today? Maybe the sun was shining. Maybe you had a good lunch. Maybe you talked to a friend. Write these things down. When you write good things, you feel happy. You focus on the positive parts of life. Sometimes life is hard. We have problems. But when we look for good things, we feel better. This habit changes your mind. It makes you a happy person. It only takes 2 minutes. Please buy a small notebook and start this habit today. The 6th habit is about learning one new thing. Every day, try to learn something new. It could be a new English word. It can be a fact about history. It can be a new recipe for cooking. When we learn, we stay young. Our brain likes to learn. You are listening to this podcast right now. That is a great habit. You are learning English. Do not stop learning. Ask questions. Look for answers. If you learn one new word every day, in 1 year you will know 365 new words. That is amazing. Small steps take you far. Be curious about the world. There are so many interesting things to know. Make learning a daily habit. It makes life exciting and fun. The 7th habit is about your phone. We all use our phones too much. The habit is to put your phone away. Do not look at your phone for 1 hour before you sleep. The light from the phone is bad for your eyes at night. It wakes up your brain. If you look at your phone, you cannot sleep well. You look at social media and you worry. Instead of the phone, talk to your family, or read a book, or just relax. Give your brain a break. Your phone is a tool, but do not let it control you. If you stop using your phone at night, you will sleep much better. You will wake up with more energy. Try to leave your phone in another room. This is a hard habit, but it is very good for you. The 8th habit is about planning. Plan your day the night before. Before you go to sleep, write down a list. Write down 3 things you want to do tomorrow. This is called a to-do list. When you wake up, you know what to do. You do not waste time. You have a plan. This helps you feel calm. You do not feel stress. You know your goals. For example, your list can say 1. Study English. 2. Go to the supermarket. 3. Call my mother. It is simple, but it helps you organize your life. When you finish a task, you can cross it out. This feels very good. Planning is a habit of successful people. Start with a small list. It will help you manage your time. The 9th habit is about smiling. This sounds funny, but it is true. Smile more often. When you smile, your body releases happy chemicals. You feel better immediately. Smile at yourself in the mirror. Smile at your family. Smile at people on the street. A smile is a gift. It is free. When you smile, other people smile too. You make the world a better place. Even if you are sad, try to smile. It can change your mood. It is a physical habit that changes your emotions. It makes you look friendly. It makes you look confident. Practice smiling every day. It is the easiest habit of all. It brings joy to you and the people around you. The 10th habit is about listening. We often talk too much. We do not listen enough. The habit is to listen carefully when people speak. Look at them. Do not look at your phone. Hear their words. Try to understand them. Listening is a skill. It shows respect. When you listen to English, you learn. When you listen to friends, you build good relationships. People like to be heard. Be a good listener. It requires patience. It requires silence. But you will learn so much more when you listen. In this podcast, you are practicing listening. That is excellent. Do this with people too. Ask a question and then listen to the answer. It will change your relationships. The 11th habit is about saving money. This is a practical habit. Try to save a small amount of money every day or every week. You do not need to save a lot. Just a little bit helps. Maybe you do not buy a coffee today. You make coffee at home. You put the money in a jar, or you put it in the bank. Watching your money grow is exciting. It gives you safety. If you have a problem in the future, you have money to fix it. Saving money teaches you control. It teaches you to wait. It is a habit for your future life. Start small. Every coin is important. In 1 year, you will have a nice amount of money. The 12th habit is about kindness. Do one kind thing every day. Help someone. Open a door for someone. Say thank you to the bus driver. Give a compliment. Tell someone good job. Kindness is a beautiful habit. It makes you feel good inside. It makes other people happy. Kindness comes back to you. If you are kind, people will be kind to you. It creates a good circle. You do not need money to be kind. You just need a good heart. Look for opportunities to help. There are opportunities everywhere. A small act of kindness can change someone's bad day into a good day. Make kindness your daily habit. The 13th habit is about breathing. Sometimes we are stressed. We breathe very fast. The habit is to take deep breaths. Stop for 1 minute. Close your eyes. Breathe in slowly through your nose. Count to 4. Hold your breath. Count to 4. Breathe out slowly through your mouth. Do this 5 times. This calms your nervous system. It stops stress. You can do this anywhere. You can do this at work. You can do this on the bus. Deep breathing brings oxygen to your brain. It helps you think. It helps you relax. Make a habit of pausing and breathing. It is a small break for your mind and body. The 14th habit is about eating fruit and vegetables. Your body is like a car. It needs good fuel. Food is your fuel. Try to eat 1 piece of fruit every day. An apple, a banana, or an orange. Eat some green vegetables with your dinner. Fresh food has vitamins. Vitamins keep you from getting sick. Sugar and fast food make you tired. Fruit gives you real energy. It tastes good too. When you go to the store, buy fruit. Put it on the kitchen table. When you are hungry, eat the fruit. This is a habit for a long life. Take care of your body with good food. It is the only body you have. The 15th habit is about sleep. Sleep is not a waste of time. Sleep is when your body fixes itself. Make a habit of going to bed at the same time every night. If you go to bed at 10 p.m., do it every night. Your body likes a schedule. Try to sleep for 7 or 8 hours. If you sleep well, you learn English better. You remember things better. You are not angry. You are happy. Create a routine for bedtime. Brush your teeth, put on pajamas, and go to bed. A good day starts with a good sleep the night before. Respect your sleep. It is the foundation of a healthy life. Thank you so much for listening to this long episode about habits. I hope you found these ideas useful. Remember, you do not need to do all these habits tomorrow. Choose one habit. Start with one. Do it for a week. Then choose another one. Small changes lead to big results. I believe in you. You can change your life. You can learn English. Keep practicing. Please, if you like this episode, subscribe to our channel. It helps us very much. Share this video with your friends who are learning English. Follow us on all our social media platforms for more tips. Have a wonderful day and keep building good habits.